Alex. Abre. Vamos. Vamos. Hey, what do you want to do?
Go eat, and we're going to West Palm.
What were we just doing?
Playing at the park.
Yeah, I should have made time to record that, you know, since Sunday's fun day, right?
But I started getting bit up.
See all them dirty clothes right there? That's for me and Junior riding the side by side. You know, since Annalise, my daughter, didn't want to come on my birthday because she wanted to play on the phone with her mom.
No,
phone. Her mom gives her the
with
phone.
My cousin.
Liar. Hey, Alex. The baby. Vamos. Uh-oh, papi te va a coger, papi te va a coger, papi te va a coger. Ah. Ven, mira, carro. Vamos a manar, ven. Mira, mira. 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 Hey. Who's that little handsome guy? Come on, ven, make him up, ven. Who's that little handsome guy? Who's this little handsome fella? ¿Tú quieres Annalise? ¿A dónde? ¿Annalise? Here you go, Annalise. It's another beautiful day. This guy has already started taking apart this truck. And me, I'm carrying, well, some crappy BMW parts. But, how you doing, Jim?
Oh, not bad, buddy.
See, that's what I like to hear. Nice hat, by the way.
You like that?
Yes. You know, it is what it is for everybody who can't stand the hats.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
But, let me drop this off and come over and talk to you.
All right.
So as I'm walking in to see what a fine day brings, this is a Alpina B7, which we got to paint the part, put it on. Direct from Germany, came in. Here you go, gentlemen. Hey, sir, what are you two doing? Searching the guy's trunk?
Yes.
Ah, good answer. Jesus, the car's white again. What happened here? Well, you know. So it's been a busy weekend here. Got some nice white parts. Walt, looking good, Walt. So we got a skyline pieces. We're definitely all put apart. Nice and painted. Clearly white. You should be happy. Here, let's see if you can see it better. Well, that's how you paint 400 parts and pieces. You hang them all. Bumper. We no longer have a peeling, chipping bumper. And for most of you who do it yourself, you see this little piece of tape here? That's how you create the tape line. So as we're painting, you put this piece and then you put the last piece, which you see the white on. So as soon as you're done clearing, you peel that back and it keeps it from running. Now in this situation, we just kept it from turning white, the black, and you can see the clearly the cleared white. But in most situations on a car, when you do that, you're actually painting the car. So as you're painting the car and you're putting the tape on, you're putting the tape on there so that way you don't have a problem. Why would we call it that? Because it's gonna drip. The material is gonna just drip off the tape, so you always put the last edge and peel it off first. So before you go home, you peel off that little piece and you have no problems, as you can see. So I've been working on the SS Camaro. We have some parts up here somewhere. I've got a parts lady. I got to find it. Oh, I'll be right with you. Oh, that big box behind me. Love it. So, Roger Dean, thank you for sending out the parts. It's another SS Camaro on its way to the streets. The last shop didn't do that great of work because the bumper doesn't match the fender. But, you know, when the insurance company is the insurance company, they do what they do. Yeah, I know you're looking for me because I got caught in the back. Look at this. We got parts. No, I'm just kidding. Look how much space I got in this box. See, I think they charged me for the box, the space of the box. It's airspace. No wonder these semis flip over when the wind hits them. It's like Lay's, Doritos, and stuff. The bag comes empty. All right, we gotta look. Make sure it's the right one. All right, so this part goes back. Unfortunately, I gotta straighten it out. But yeah, that's Gabe. Gabe didn't sleep last night. He's grumpy. Still ugly. So yeah, we have a damaged part. It is what it is. We'll put it back in and get another one coming. Thank you. Well, today's the end of the day. We've done some minor adjustments to the, oh, hold on, some minor adjustments to the Raptor kit. Wanted everybody to see. You know, it's no longer going to be way up and over. We've done some cut and fitting, giving it some straight lines. All in all, we've been working on multiple things. You know, the skyline came out beautiful. I think I've already showed it. If I did, too bad. Look at it again. So, just wanted to quickly go over the skyline. The skyline's going to be a wet sand and buff. So, you know what that means, gentlemen? That means we're going to have glass when we're done. Best part about that job is she's going to look right. And when they do, they impress me. And I damn sure like to be impressed. So, as you can see, we quickly did quick repair on this SS Camaro. Also on that fender, the bumper. I would show you here where I shaved and pulled it, which you kind of saw. We also took out the centerpiece. It's covered up due to the weather. Skyline looking good. You know, all the parts. We started sanding, getting it all done. Called nibbing. As we're nibbing stuff, we're making sure she's gonna look great. This is gonna be a full. When I tell you wet buff. This side's completely sanded. So you can see what the difference is when you wet sand and you buff something. See the difference? No gloss. Yep. So, after talking to Walt, we're gonna wet sand and buff it and give it the factory look that it so God needs. So it's gonna look like a crystal display. The car's gonna come out beautiful. Hands down, I'm in. So in the next couple days, you're gonna see some sanding, some buffing, some stages. I'm gonna go ahead and maybe put a GoPro on the chest of one of my guys so you guys can see some of it. I think that'd work out great. Well, we'll see what the next couple days brings here in this lovely subarctic Florida that just went from, I don't know, I think it was like 80 degrees today and sweaty to a lovely jaw-dropping 12. Now, I ain't that cold, but I could say that. I'm from Florida. So the Lexus has been killing me. I want everybody to see. I brought in the seat belts after being lost for a month and who knows where. I sent them out to be done. See, seat belt holes. You know, all the trim, took it all apart. Now, I have a problem. The seat belts came, and by the way, they look great, phenomenal, if they're the right color. So, just to keep everybody on the up and up, and so everybody understands, yeah, they're the right color. Wrong. So, as I walk out of here today, going, why? Roger Dean, Chevrolet brought me the wrong bumper 3 times. Twice the same bumper, once an opposite. I've got some cool stuff getting ready to go down, which I'll be more than glad you guys can see. So as we get there, I'll be more than glad to show you guys. I'm gonna speed up a little bit. So I'm gonna walk over to my office, the lovely office, you know, the paper box, whatever you want to call it. So as I walk the valley of shame because I can't get none of my cars done in time that I want, or a timely fashion, because if I'm not short help, I'm overwhelmed. If I'm not overwhelmed, the best part, and the only part you guys don't know, is I'm waiting for parts. So as I walk in here, and I go, where do seatbelts go? Let me see. I believe they're over here somewhere. I might be wrong. I've been wrong before. Yeah, I'm wrong. So as I'm looking for the seatbelts, to show you clearly that they're not even the right color, that's kind of great. So once I find them, I'll put it back.